Good afternoon, everyone. Today we'll be talking about components of computer system. My name is Miss Ifeanyi Molu. I'm from Jesu Distinguished Royal Family Academy. Let's begin. The computer system. Tasks you are going to accomplish today include: we are going to find out the meaning of computer system, list and explain the components of the computer system, and describe hardware and software. So first, what is a computer system? A computer system is an electronic machine that can accept data in a prescribed form, process that data, and supply the required result of the processing in a particular format of information or as signals to control some other machine or process. Beside it, you have a picture of a computer. Functions of a computer system. Processing. The computer's brain, called the CPU, processes the input and makes decisions. It is like a chef following a recipe to create a delicious dish. 2. Input. A computer takes in information using devices like a keyboard, mouse, microphone, or touchscreen. Imagine typing in a message or clicking a button to play a game. Storage. Computer stores information so that we can use it later. There are short-term storage, e.g. RAM, random access memory, used for running programs, and long-term storage, hard drives and flash drives, where files and pictures are kept. So what we said so far is that a computer is an electronic machine. It receives inputs and it brings it out as information. Some functions include storing information, takes in information, and processes information. Now we are going to components of a computer system. Components refers to the parts that make up a computer system. In this case, they include hardware, software, and peopleware. In a computer system, components refers to the individual parts, both hardware and software, that work together to ensure the system functions properly. Computer hardware refers to the physical components of a computer system, everything you can touch and see. It includes essential parts like the central processing unit, CPU, memory, RAM or ROM, random access memory or read-only memory, and storage devices, HDD or SSD, motherboard, power supply, and input and output devices such as keyboards, mice, monitors, and printers. Computer software is the internal part of the computer that cannot be seen or touched. They are divided into application software and system software. Peopleware refers to the human aspect of computing, essentially the people involved in developing, managing, and using computer systems. It includes computer professionals such as software developers, system analysis, and IT managers, as well as end users who interact with technology daily. Hardware. Computer hardware refers to the physical components of a computer system, everything you can touch and see. It includes essential parts like the central processing unit, memory, storage devices, motherboard, power supply, and input and output devices such as keyboards, mice, monitors, and printers. These include input devices. Devices used to enter data into a computer, such as a keyboard, mouse, scanner, microphone, and joysticks. Output devices. Devices that display or produce results like monitors, printers, speakers, and projectors. Storage devices. Components that store data, including hard drives, flash drives, CDs, and memory cards. Central processing unit (CPU), the brain of a computer, responsible for processing instructions. Arithmetic logic unit (ALU) performs mathematical and logical operations. Control unit, a directs the flow of data within the computer system. And the peripherals, which are not internal parts of a computer but can also be seen and touched. Examples include the speakers, microphones, printers, etc. Software. Computer software refers to the programs and operating systems that allow a computer to function. Students typically learn about two main types of software. System software. These include the operating system (OS), such as Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, which manages hardware and provides a platform for other programs. Application software. These are programs designed for specific tasks like Microsoft Word for typing, Google Chrome for browsing, and Paint for drawing. Software enables computers to function and is divided into system software, manages the computer, e.g. Windows and Linux. Application software helps users complete tasks, e.g. Microsoft Word, Google Chrome. Functions, system management, controls hardware, Data processing analyzes information, communication enables interaction, entertainment supports media. Here is a table showing the difference between system software and application software. The purpose for system software is manages hardware, while for application software it performs user tasks. Examples include Windows or Mac OS, while examples of application software include Word or Chrome. Installation. System software comes pre-installed, while application software is installed by users. User interaction. System software works in the background, while application software it uses direct user operation.